أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما خلق. Welcome back. This all-in-one beef pasta is very delicious and flavorful, yet so simple and easy to make. Let me show you how I make it. To start, I boiled my pasta and until it was tender, I added some olive oil and some salt to a boiling water before I added my pasta. Whilst that was cooking, I went ahead to marinate my beef. I added all my seasoning. You can play around with all the seasoning, but the special spice I added was a soya spice. Then I mixed everything to combine. You can use chicken if that is what you prefer, and you can use mushroom. You let the beef sit for 30 minutes, which I did. You can marinate it over time or anytime you prefer. Then I went ahead to put it on my oven. Then I started with my base for the pasta. I added some unsalted butter, added some red onion and some green onions. I'm gonna go ahead to fry this until it's translucent. Then I'll go ahead to add some herbs and spice. As I always say, you do you add and omit whatever you want in your meal. Whilst that was going, I went ahead to check up on my beef and it was looking so delicious. Over here, I'm gonna go ahead to add my herbs and spice, and I'm gonna take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos, to my returning viewers, my subscribers, and yeah, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to your girl and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. Over here, the beef is done and it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead to chop everything up before I'll add it into the pasta. Then I went ahead to add some of my green sauce into the onions. I'm gonna go ahead to fry this until it's fried. That is when you know the oil starts to set on top. Then I added a little bit of some olive oil. In this recipe, I use some broccoli, some carrots, some bell peppers, orange, yellow, and green. I use some red onions, obviously, and some green onions as well. You can use any vegetables of your choice. This pasta is so good and it's my family's favorite. It's easy on the go. You can use it as your lunch. You can use it in a party. Just name it. And one thing about this pasta is very healthy as well, especially with the kind of pasta you choose for this recipe. I use whole grain pasta for this recipe. You can use any pasta that you wish. After adding it, you're gonna fry it for like 5 to 10 minutes because we don't wanna overcook the vegetables. Then we will go ahead to add our beef to it. After adding the beef, you wanna stir it everything to combine. Make sure they all absorb the juices and marry itself very well. This helps to create so many flavors before we will go ahead to add our pasta to it. After adding the pasta, we will go ahead to stir everything. Then we will add some Worcestershire sauce and that soya sauce as well. That is gonna give it that beautiful brown color. And with the Worcestershire sauce, it's very flavorful and it gives different aroma for the recipe as well. So if you can get that, must definitely add it to this dish. Okay, stir stir everything to combine, and then we will finally add our finishing touches to it, which is some Parmesan cheese. Okay, this Parmesan cheese is gonna level it up, then cover it up for a little bit before you go ahead to stir everything to combine, and this dish is ready. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I like to read your comments. And before my next one, stay safe and be blessed. Bye.